reCAPTCHA is a new add-on for smart security tools, and it allows you to add reCAPTCHA elements to different forms in WordPress for extra security. Plugin uses Google reCAPTCHA version 2, or is it? And sometimes it's called no CAPTCHA because it doesn't require you to enter any strings of numbers and letters at all, but uses different methods of detection, and it is much more user friendly. Let's see how it looks. First, you need to add keys to be able to use it, so connection to reCAPTCHA is required, and here you have a link to it, and you get a page like this. If you already have some registered websites, they will appear here. If not, you need to add them. You need to add list of domains you want to use this reCAPTCHA, and each reCAPTCHA you create will have its own set of keys. If you test on localhost, these keys are not will always validate, but if you use it on live domain, you need to match the domain here with your own domain. If you want to get alerts about failed reCAPTCHAs, you can enable it, but it's best to leave it unchecked. And you get two keys. And that's it. You can select language. If you set out to detect, it will detect the language of the visitor based on different parameters, and if not, you can use explicitly selected language from here. You can set theme, size, and type of reCAPTCHA, image or audio. Also, alignment is added for the wrapper element of reCAPTCHA. Once you set all that, click Save. You can enable reCAPTCHA for different forms here. For login form, registration, lost password, new comment, and network signup if you are using in the network environment. For comment, you can choose also to hide reCAPTCHA if user is logged in and has approved comments, or if it's only logged in. Also, it is recommended that you enabled each failed reCAPTCHA into into event log for some other uses. And plugin also supports BBPress for topics and reply forms, BuddyPress registration, and WooCommerce login registration and lost password forms. Finally, if from same IP you get too many failed CAPTCHAs in a period of time, you can ban that IP because most likely it's a spam source, and you can get notification about that on your email. Setting all that, and let's see, this is normal login form, and here it is with reCAPTCHA enabled. If you click here, it's okay. Sometimes you will get a test with a few images you need to click on. Similar to this, if you want to leave a comment, here is a comment form. And that's it. Pretty much that's everything you need to do. reCAPTCHA will work reCAPTCHA is very easy to use here, and your users will not be too much bothered by need to click that one checkbox. The only problem with reCAPTCHA is that currently you cannot restyle it at all. You can just choose size and color, and if you want to see how it looks in light color and compact size, let's see it. Here it is. That's the only two versions you can choose, and there is no way to style it at all because it's loaded inside the iframe. We'll now attempt to make a bed reCAPTCHA post. But we will not select it, and you get the error. In the same time, Smart Security plugin in the log, you get this here, reCAPTCHA failed, and you will see the reason. So it's reCAPTCHA failed or reCAPTCHA missing. If by some chance it was totally removed from form post, and that's also a very bad thing, and which module was used. In this case, it's a comment module. So if from the same IP you get too many failed reCAPTCHAs, this IP will be banned. Of course, you cannot ban this localhost, but real IPs will get banned if too many failed reCAPTCHAs are detected.